everyone, it's me, Amy. Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Well, today I will discuss about a new ESL company, which is just an audio ESL. It's Langdi. So just type on your Facebook, the Langdi audio class. Makikita nyo marami dyang Langdi is hiring, Langdi is hiring, Langdi is hiring. So as you can see here, it's a Korean audio ESL. That means your students will be Koreans. Yeah, so this is for um, people who are applying in Langdi. I will give you some tips about the interview and demo. So I had my interview and demo last week. Unfortunately, I didn't get that job. I didn't pass because of, I guess, one important reason that you should know. So yeah, as you can see here, later I will discuss to you, but let's have this one first. So again, Korean students open for part-time or full-time. So here on the picture, this is during my interview. Before you conduct your demo, interviewin ka muna. Not really interview, but we will discuss some important things like this one. Peak hours will be 5 to 7 a.m. That's in the morning, or night shift 6 to 11 p.m. So 15 hours open slots a week. That's the minimum. That means 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. is not mandatory that you will teach. But for 6 p.m. to 11 p.m., you should open a slot. So again, 15 hours minimum. So you divide that to 7 days. Kasi here, including the minimum of 1.5 hours for the weekend. So 13.5 for evening peak hours weekdays, 1.5 anytime weekends. So 164 per hour, it is 82 pesos per 20 minutes. So yan. And then here, audio classes only, even the interview and demo is audio. So you don't need to worry about the camera. And 20 minutes per class. And yeah, and one-on-one audio classes. 82 pesos for 20 minutes. So not bad. 20 minutes lang, you will have 82 pesos. Alright, so marami po students always fully booked sa peak hours. So I don't know yet because I'm hanggang interview and demo lang ako. So if you will apply, just click this one. That is the form. I will attach it on the comment section down below. This is the Langdi application form. So just write your name, reference, if you have. Ask them their tutor name. What kind of record platform is either Facebook or YouTube? Have you worked at Langdi before? Yes or no? Your active email address, active phone number, your city and region like Baguio City, Cordillera Administrative Region, your highest educational attainment, if you have certificate, and image, please verify your certification. So just attach it here if you have, and then availability between 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. And of course, yes, if no, then maybe you will not have an interview. So describe your teaching experiences, just like this. Job title, the duration, how long you work there, and the location. So, yeah. Next. So please make the following paragraph and record it. Yeah. So this one. You can record in Vocaroo. I guess this Vocaroo. Yeah, this one, Vocaroo.com. Vocaroo.com. Then you record it, and then you attach the file here. It's free. Just click the link of Vocaroo.com. Computer options, so either laptop or desktop or both. hindi allowed ang phone, okay? Not allowed the phone. For backup power source option, yeah. And don't choose none of the above. I also doesn't have, but I choose backup UPS. And backup internet, yeah, as long as you have prepaid or data. Processing time may take up to 2 to 3 business days. So it's just fast. And then you wait for the email. Yeah, after maybe I guess 3 days, I received the email. So here,